In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok on your Panasonic Smart TV, step by step. Method 1. Use the web browser. 1. Turn on your Panasonic Smart TV. 2. Press the home button on your remote. 3. Open the web browser from the app list. 4. Go to www.tiktok.com. 5. Sign into your TikTok account if needed. 6. Now you can scroll and watch TikTok videos directly on your TV. Method 2. Cast from your phone using screen mirroring. 1. Make sure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. 2. On your phone, swipe down and tap Screencast or Smart View. 3. Select your Panasonic TV from the list. 4. Open the TikTok app on your phone, and it'll show on your TV screen. Method 3. Use a streaming device, like Fire Stick or Chromecast. If your Panasonic TV doesn't support casting or the web browser is slow, plug in a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Android TV box. Install the TikTok app from the App Store. Sign in and start watching. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.